Hello, this is nice math problem. 5 to the power x is equal 50 and we have to find the value of x. So let's start. Solution. The given equation is 5 to the power x is equal 50. Now we will take log in both sides. So you can write here log 5 to the power x is equal log 50. We know a log property which is log m to the power n is equal n log m. According to this log property, we can write this log 5 to the power x as x log 5 is equal, we can write this log 50 as log 50 is equal 2 times 5 times 5. We know log m times n is equal log m plus log n. According to this property, we can write this line as here x log 5 is equal, here log 2 times 5 times 5 is equal log 2 plus log 5 plus log 5. Now we will divide both sides by log 5 to eliminate this 5 log 5. So you can write here x log 5 over log 5. Here log 5. This log 5 and this log 5 cancel. Here x is equal, you can write this log 2 plus log 5 plus log 5 over log 5 as log 2 over this log 5 plus this log 5 over this log 5 plus this log 5 over this log 5. Here this log 5 cancel, this log 5 cancel. Here x is equal log 2 over this log 5 plus here 1 plus here 1. We know another log property which is log a over log b is equal log a to the base b. According to this log property, we can write here x is equal log 2 over log 5 as log 2 to the base 5 plus here 1 plus 1 2. X is equal this 2 plus log 2 to the base 5. This is our answer. Now we will verify this value is correct or not. So let's verify. Our main equation is 5 to the power x is equal 50. Now we will substitute the value of x here. Here 5 to the power x is equal to 2 plus log 2 to the base 5 is equal this 50. Here 5 power 2 times 5 to the power log 2 to the base 5 is equal this 50. Here 5 is square is equal 25 times, we know a to the power log b base a is equal b. According to this log property, you can write here 5 to the power log 2 base 5 as 2 is equal this 50. Here 25 times 2 is equal 50 is equal this 50. Here left hand side is equal right hand side. So our value x is equal to 2 plus log 2 to the base 5 is our correct value. Thanks for watching the video. Please like, comment, share and subscribe.